Hello, my name is Kenya, and this video will be me reflecting on the Excel Essential Training course on the Lynda website. I think this course really did help me understand a lot about the Excel worksheet function and what it's used for and stuff like that. I am not fully familiar with Excel. I'm more familiar with Google Sheets, just because it's just a lot easier for me to access on my computer and easier for me to use. I have learned a little bit about Excel, but not as much as I should or as much as I want to. This course, like all the previous courses that I've seen, they start off just introducing the course and introducing what Excel is used for, their toolbars and their menus and the file tab and all that stuff, just touching base on each of the functions and each of the sections and what they focus on, like features and stuff like that, and the help center and all that. So it was very helpful for me to just remind myself where each of these buttons are and what they do to the worksheet that I would like to work on. The video I've touched base on understanding workbooks and worksheets, which is something that I was not very familiar with, so it was very fun to learn about the difference between the two and what they both just the benefits of using both of them. And it also introduces just the basics: data entry, add and file, autofill, and how to use them and their functions as well in the Excel app. Another thing that they touched base on was inserting date and time, and this is one of the features that I heard about, but I was not very familiar with, and I wasn't very I didn't understand how it or how it would be used or why and stuff like that. So that was very fun to learn about it too, and like just working with the details and stuff like that. One of the things that was very interesting and very fun for me to learn about was the formulas, and I've heard about formulas as well, and I've seen formulas on Excel, but I didn't know how to write them in. And it was very helpful when the instructor in the course, he was just easily explaining me how to insert these formulas and all the details and stuff like that. So that was very fun and very useful as well, because I'm sure I'm going to be able to use it in the future. And one of my favorite sections of this course was features, and by that I mean like just the personalizing the worksheet, using different fonts and style effects to personalize the Excel sheet and stuff like that, the background colors and borders and stuff like that. So that's the fun stuff for me, so that was very fun. And also just editing and adjusting the columns and the rows and all that stuff. Another thing was just the proper way of printing the best way to print the worksheet, just selecting the cells that I want to print instead of the whole worksheet. So that was also pretty fun. They touched base on doing the worksheet itself and how to add or create the charts and insert them and stuff like that. So that was very fun too. Overall, I think that this course was very useful and very fun. I would definitely recommend it to someone else if they want to learn a little bit more about the Excel the Excel training or Excel worksheet is definitely a skill that a lot of companies and a lot of jobs require you to understand or how to do. So I think that this course really did benefit me and my knowledge about how to use Excel, and just a skill that I would definitely I'm definitely to have now. So yeah, thank you for watching.